In Istanbul, where waters meet, where east and west in friendship greet, we came with hope, we came with light, to seek the truth with all our might. From every corner of the earth, nearly 800 minds gave worth to law, to justice, peace and right, searching together for the light. Among them one bright workshop shone, the largest gathering of its own. 26 papers side by side, with natural law our faithful guide. Across the Bosphorus we sing of truth, of law, of everything. From many lands one grateful voice, in wisdom's light our hearts rejoice. Across the Bosphorus we pray, may friendship never fade away. One family beneath God's sky, our hope will never, never die. Professors came from many lands, with open hearts and open hands. America and Turkey too, Spain and Italy came in view. Poland, Croatia, proud and strong, Argentina joined the song. Ecuador and Guatemala, one great family, one ideal. We thank the hosts with grateful hearts for all their kindness from the start. With every smile and every care, they made us feel at home while there. Their generous welcome, warm and true, will always stay in our own view. We came as strangers from afar,